Where have you built silos? Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Silos create little pockets and information becomes power, becomes a way of control. It also creates great inefficiency. Patrick Lencioni, one of the best business consultants I know, has written a great book about silos. If you find yourself in a place where you're not sharing information, where your leadership team doesn't know what all is going on, not that everybody has to know everything. In fact, if there's anybody that knows everything, there's not enough happening. Are you in silos? Silos will create suspicion. Silos will create distrust. People will wonder, well, what are they doing and why am I being kept out? It's just human nature. Where can you merge some cells, if you will, and begin to share a little bit more? Companies that create silos create an unhealthy culture. Level up your leadership with this question for today.